My name is Natalie Gibb, and I'm the co-owner of Under the Jungle, which is a cave diving center in Tulum, Mexico. I've just spent the last week playing with the Keldan 8XR 20,000 lumen CRI 86 remote controlled video lights, and I am blown away. There's many advantages in having remote controlled lights in the type of videography that I do. Typically, I move around a lot in the cave and I set up lights in different locations in the cave to sort of light a scene like you're backstage at a concert. This means that the video lights are running the whole time, and so I run out of batteries really quickly. But with the remote control lights, I can turn them off when I'm not using them and save a lot of battery and really extend the time of my production. I shot for 3 hours one of the days this week, which is something I've never done before. One shot that I got that I'm really proud of is having a diver float in the middle of dark water and then slowly alight the cave behind them to have a starburst effect, and then reveal the formations and their face using a remote light in front of them, and then dim it back down and dim it back down until all that remains of the diver is their light. I also had a lot of fun having a diver sort of pretend to light up formations with their primary light just by tapping them, like a magic wand. One of the questions we had coming into the shoot is, would the RC1 remote control work in the cave environment? Would it transmit its signal around corners and through rock? Would it get disrupted by the rock of the tunnels? And so far what I have discovered is that the signal transferred to the lights flawlessly every time, and it was very responsive. There is a bit of a delay from when you turn the dial to when the light turns on, but once you get a feeling for how the lights work, it's really easy to time and adjust, and I found them really easy to work with. I think that I've only started to tap the creative potential of these lights. I can't imagine going back to using lights without a remote control. It's just made my videography so much more efficient. Would I recommend these lights? Absolutely. I think they're rapidly going to become essential for all cave videographers. And I know that's a bold statement, but I think it's true.